Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Lauren.
And we're here from Gibsons Games to teach TfL drivers how to play our TfL ball games.
So this is Fast Track, the fast speed. Shush. Hi, this is Fast Track, the speed.
Fast. The speed reaction.
The speed reaction card game.
That was so dominant with the finger and everything.
1, 2, 3.
See, I can't see. No, she holds it like that and I can't see. You're getting to see it before I do. So flip it with your right hand and then it's going to hide it from them. And you and me can win.
I mean, I'm sensing active cheating right now. I'm just saying.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Sorry, my instant reaction is to scream for things. I don't know why.
2, 1.
I mean, I do feel, just playing devil's advocate here, that two hands is cheating. I'll allow you to keep
There was
it on
one
this occasion.
hand.
Excuse, there was
took
another
the card.
Hang on, the other hand went, get out of my way.
So we were like blocking.
Do you want to form an alliance?
If you could each say how many cards you've got.
I have 2.
3.
I can't hold them all. 5.
I can't hold all
Andre, could you count mine for me?
No. This is Mind the Gap.
That was so much nicer.
Oh, no, right?
I used to go to Embankment that has the original Mind the Gap station announcements.
Would you like to do your best impression?
Mind the Gap.
That's very good.
Well, isn't it? It's like, mind the gap.
It's like that.
It's not far off.
You drive through there every day.
No. I just want it to be different.
What was it, one of the mice saying it? Ready?
Oh, God.
You can have your, like,
So the player in front of you has blocked the escalator. Give them one card from your hand. So I assume that's you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you give them
I'll
one.
give you that card.
Gee, thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, that's more like it.
I assume that you can just put anything down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sick.
Come
on.
That's fine.
Have that back.
Can't even read.
The next station is closed. Change direction.
Okay, so that's me again.
Yes, that would be
So
you.
now we go that.
So now we're going anti-clockwise. I'm going to go Bakerloo.
Oh, go on then.
Oh, damn it.
Do you know what? We need more engineering works.
Said no
it's
one
actually
ever.
a weekend. It's actually a weekend. There's more engineering works.
So I'm going to utilise my step-free access, easily finding your way to the street, play one extra card, and I'm going to
Stop
play.
getting that card.
I can't help it.
Okay, so I'm going to change direction of play, and can I just say, Mind the Gap?
Hey.
I thought it was when you
Roll
laid the last
credits.
card.
No, Mind the Gap.
So, sure go.
So I'm going to lay this card. Your journey may be affected, choosing one line to be out of play. I'm going to go with the Bakerloo line.
Rude.
Oh, no, right?
What's a cell phone as well? Why would you close your own line?
And mind the
You haven't
gap.
done anything, so put that down. Oh, God.
Same.
I have not seen your cards, by the way, so I want it very
That's
clear.
why you've got a plan for your last card.
I didn't plan. I didn't check my journey before I travelled.
No.
Thanks, Alex.
Genuinely.
It's all to play for
I want
here.
it noted on camera. Didn't know, and I'm so proud of myself. So are you
I'm getting out on this. I'm out. But no. Thanks, Alex.
You're so welcome. And remember, please mind the gap. Keep training the platform. So now it's count
What
up.
cards
10.
you got? 20.
25.
Now do it in your very demure voice. Yeah, less
Okay.
South London.
This one is Race the Rouse. It's the London Underground race game.
First time. Round of applause.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So you can see the symbols at the top there. You've got a question mark, but you've got some cutlery.
Right.
All right.
If you land on one that has the cutlery, you have to pretend to eat various foods until the next person pretends to eat various foods. It's key pretending.
Pretending.
If I had Clapham Junction,
Right.
I'm going to look for it on the left-hand side of all these cards.
Right.
It's going to be somewhere. First one to get it gets a round of applause.
Oh my God.
Clapham Junction on the left-hand side.
Clappy J. Here.
Well done, you.
I looked at that.
Obviously not quick enough.
Then,
Can't see over there though. I ain't got my glasses on.
Which one is it so I can block it?
Put it on there for me. Then I am determined to win something today. It's going to happen. I can feel it in my water.
I genuinely am lost. Can anyone else see High Street Kensington?
Oh.
remember, you can ask for assistance.
You can only use it once, darling.
Why did I get moved? Wait a minute. Have I got... No. You've moved...
I didn't
Stop
move you.
moving my thing.
Oh, hidden cheating.
I
My big
can't
head just blocking
control
the light.
body parts.
I don't have High Street Kensington. Can anyone see High Street Kensington? Genuinely, I'll go with the assistants.
You have to show the card.
Assistants, please.
Right, everyone put everything down. We must
Yeah,
find-
put it down because she's going. Wait.
Hold on.
No, not hold on. Put it down. You weren't listening to the rules.
High Street Kensington.
I just had to write the time before I forgot it.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Well, there's
Right,
the
so
coins.
can we carry on now?
No.
High Street Ken.
I step. Oh, wait a minute. Luggage. I don't have to worry about that.
Remember to keep an eye out for cutlery and question marks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't been doing that.
Wait, where did my thing get moved?
It would be Andre's arms.
I found it.
That's what it's been so far. It's been Andre's arms just wiping things out. I'm winning 3 out of 3. It would be rude for me not to win the 4th.
No.
Oh my God. I can't do this. Oh my Lord. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there.
Anyone else like just working from one side of the map?
I'm having
Is that
to.
cutlery I spot?
Yep.
So you've got to start eating.
Yeah, I have to. It's right.
Until the next person gets to cutlery.
I mean, at this point, Andre's been through 20 cutleries. and
No,
he's
I have
having-
not. The lies, the slander.
Who wants free help?
At the moment, in many ways,
Yes,
I'm
where are
lost.
you going? I'm here to help.
You tell you worked on stations. I'm going from St James's Park. I mean, I'm not feeling the Olivier Award for Andre here. Maybe even.
I mean, I'm eating soup.
You're eating soup. Where's that?
So I'm now home. What do I do?
Oh, you won.
No, you're not.
You put your player on the little home boards
Oh.
and you count your coins.
How do you get a coin?
He asked for assistance.
Yeah, give me a coin.
No,
No, it's free.
because you
Free
gave it. You
help.
got a freebie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, you didn't pay attention to the rules. I feel that we need to recast the presenter of this. You know, I handed you
Listen,
that
I'm
the time.
second,
Oh
just
my
'cause
God,
you're
the hand
losing.
is over. Wait a minute. You can't gang up now. No, stand up. Stand.
You are coming last.
This is
Just
cheating.
accept it.
This is cheating.
We formed
This
an
is
alliance
cheating.
earlier,
Oh
so-
my God, you formed an
Listen.
alliance. Oh my
Listen.
God.
Question mark.
No.
Oh, so now you get now Alex has to help you for free.
No, you have to help me for
Oh
free.
yeah, no, you have to help Alex.
So do I have to stop playing?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
until you
Where
find
is Monument?
Monument.
Monument.
Now now
It's
get the alliance going for me.
It's on the table.
What do you mean, it's on the table.
I've
on a
already
card
found it. I've already
somewhere.
found it.
Right, find me Liverpool Street.
I found it already. There, Sarah says it's there.
Oh,
Well done,
I
Sarah.
mean, I'm going back 3 hours by doing that.
There's your free help.
Stanmore.
Oh, Stan.
Yeah,
Stop!
Stanmore.
No! Oh my God!
Home, home,
No!
Yes! In your face!
I never did that to you. I was very mature, and I don't feel that's appropriate.
This one is Connecting London. You connect mainline stations and landmarks on the London Underground. Okay, so you
you're
pick one of them lines.
It's very loud, Andre.
Oh, I've got to pick the line and then...
So you use both of them and you place any one of your tiles and try and match lines that are those two colours.
Yes. So now you've got to find King's Cross. There you go.
Right.
Nah.
Just put it down.
Fine.
Oh my goodness. Just so stroppy.
Trying to win the game. I'm on the roll. I won the last one.
Look, it doesn't matter who wins, as long as Alex loses.
For the form of alliance. That's all I do in games, is just form alliances. So I always lose.
So I've got Hammersmith City and Circle. So I'm going to do Piccadilly Circus. No?
No.
No,
I wouldn't.
I mean, you can, but
Yeah.
it won't go well.
I know, that's why I'm just going to give me a second, people, all right? I'm just having a moment. I'm going to do Pimlico because I got told that if you have a monument, then you also get to, do you get to turn over?
A monument's one monument, you get to turn over.
I got a monument's monument.
If
So I
it's
get
on
to
the
turn
good
over.
service lines.
It's not a good service.
It's not on the good service line.
Do you want to take it back?
What's a good service line?
The one, the
These.
tokens that you pick
On
out.
the other side it says Jubilee
Right.
and Northern.
So I've got a Northern. Oh, I've got a Warren.
You got a Warren.
I've got a Warren.
I think she means Warren Street.
Yeah.
Change here
Rabbits
from
have a
Northern Victoria
Warren.
lines.
Right, so no, I'm going to do that one then because I've got a point to point.
You would, yes.
Okay, I'm going to play my unexpected delays.
Could you not? Oh. she's a-
Can you guess who I'm going for?
Oh, is it yourself?
I'm going to choose Alex. You're welcome. So they can go back in the
You
bag.
realise it's going to cost you. You know?
Oh my God.
Oh no, that was karma. Keep that in the edit.
So I get to play another map tile immediately.
No.
And I'm thinking Oxford Circus, maybe. No.
I mean, that would have been the one I would have played. Because it's point to point.
If you had a go, yeah?
Yeah, there we go. It is point to point.
No,
Bank.
it's not.
This
No,
is?
I didn't.
Bank to London Bridge.
Oh yeah, you're all right. Yeah, it's all
Mm.
Yeah.
Well played.
Going then.
So
No, because he only gets one extra to go.
So you pick a piece
He gets pick a piece.
take a piece.
Oh.
and turn the thing over.
Who am I going to pick? Who shall I pick, gang?
I know who you should pick.
Sarah, who
You just say
should I
it.
pick?
You know who you want. Go on, just say it.
I'm
Say
gonna
it.
pick the
Say it.
person I'm
Say
gonna
it.
back
Say it.
to.
Yay!
I mean, I'm not playing
Oh,
one
yeah, you
round
can't
already.
play.
So
That's got
So now we can't play the next round either. Okay, so I have Pick and Hammersmith and
that
City.
took you a long time to realise what pick was. I feel that we need more training.
I'm expressing solidarity with you. Don't worry. Do you want to form a new alliance together?
Wow.
Plot twist. So I get
Got
to
a point to point.
point. Yeah, so I get a new thingy bob.
And now you get to turn over.
Oh, what am I going to choose?
I think one of us is getting targeted.
Choose a
Oh,
player
no.
to miss their next.
Oh.
Remember who you were, Sarah.
Now the question comes: is he going to go with the new alliance?
I can't help engineering works, okay?
Okay,
You know.
unexpected delays. Sorry, you're
target.
going to have to miss your turn.
Choose another player and swap 2 map tiles of your choice with them. Right, so you, my friend.
To get rid of the rubbish.
Can we be clear on when you say my friend, because you just pointed in all of our directions.
I'm gonna. Is it 2 map tiles?
Yes, yes, swap two. So swap
There you
one.
go.
So, which ones do you want? Because you have to swap, so you get to pick
Says
which
swap
ones
to-
you're taking.
Oh, I will take your Liverpool Street. Thank you very much.
Please.
And
Oh, there's no need for please now.
Magic words.
and
Pick Circus, Moorgate, Hyde Park Corner, and Marylebone.
I mean, there's,
Sorry,
there's
Mary.
enough helping.
Mary.
No. Let us squint at it.
Put it upside down. Can you trust
are
it?
you back in now?
Personally, it's not. I mean, that was so out of tune. Okay,
That's what happened at the
so the
train.
good service on the Piccadilly and the Northern Line. That works for me. Because I'm going to do with Piccadilly Circus, so that I'm point to point with Charing Cross. I'm going to take a piece. And let's just clarify here. For the independent adjudicator, unexpected delays. Just to clarify, I'm going to read the instructions just once more. Choose a player to miss their next turn. Now I'm going to go to the audience for this moment, and I'm going to break the fourth wall for just a second, and I'm going to clear this anyway. Who would you pick? Oh, I'm going to make it very clear. Sarah, it's your go.
Oh, hello. Let's fix this because it's a bit,
it's starting
it's
to
a bit
annoy
of a
me,
mess.
isn't it?
There we go. So you
Oh,
get,
really?
Yeah.
If you run out of tiles, you get 3 more from the box.
so I have made a connection.
Oh, wait.
What about if there isn't 2 more?
I made a connection on the Piccadilly between Holborn and Piccadilly Circus, so I do that. But more importantly,
You get to turn over your final tile.
wrong line. Choose another player they get to swap.
2 map tiles from.
Swap 2 map tiles. What do they get? Farringdon. What's the least helpful one? That's too helpful.
Sir, may I have for Baker Street?
I have to swap.
I know, I've got. Look at this.
Shall we swap? I'll take.
No, I don't deserve it. I screwed you over.
Well, the difference is I have chosen, so we're going to swap. There you go.
Thank you.
But more importantly, District Line. So I win.
How's a good service?
We connected London!
We're connected London! Yay!
So, what was everyone's favourite game?
My favourite was the Mind the Gap game. That was really fun and interesting to strategise with, and I really liked Fast Track as well because that was very intense.
Yeah, it was. When people aren't cheating. Mine was Mind the Gap, and I think my second would have been Race the Rouse. I thought I was quite good at that, personally.
It was close, me and you for the win.
It was.
It was.
Very close.
I loved how fast-paced Mind the Gap was. Do like a fast game. Race the Rails I quite liked, like searching and then writing it down. And
Yeah.
I started writing down station names fully, and I was like, actually, I want to win, so just abbreviated everything.
I'm going to go with my favourite being Fast Track, and I'd like you again to just tell us, what is Fast Track?
It's the speed reaction car. Okay.
Thank you,
Thanks for watching.
I feel like a CBBC presenter, I'd say.